Hey guys, so quick video. If you have the Beko air conditioner, what you can try to do is to reset it, and you're gonna find right here that you're gonna have your controller, and on your controller you are going to find like this reset button. Do you see that? It's going to be on the bottom right or from the back, but probably on the bottom right, and you're gonna have to initialize the remote control settings. You're gonna reset. So try to just press it, and it should possibly like work. And then restarting the air conditioner automatically. So open the front cover, press the button and hold it for 6 seconds, then unit will blink twice and the lamp will blink 4 times. So that's something you can also try to do, just like press the power button for like this button right here for like 6 seconds, this one right here, and that should also possibly like help maybe. Or you can, what you can try to do is also turn off the circuit breaker, and when you can have the circuit breaker, you also try to turn it off for like 5 minutes and then turn it back on. So that's something you can try to do, maybe it's going to help.